Have you ever wondered why Europe fascinates travelers from every corner of the globe? Well, it's time to unveil the secrets. Welcome to a journey through 30 marvels that you can only find in Europe. We embark on our adventure with the Aurora Borealis. This natural light show, also known as the Northern Lights, dazzles from the polar skies of Scandinavia. Next up, the Mediterranean Sea. Spanning 3 continents, this azure body of water boasts an array of unique flora and fauna, not to mention its scenic coastal landscapes. The third stop takes us to the Swiss Alps. These majestic peaks offer a winter wonderland for skiers and snowboarders, while in summer, they transform into a hiker's paradise. Number 4, Venice, the city of canals. This Italian jewel is a labyrinth of waterways, bridges, and historic architecture, a unique spectacle you won't find anywhere else. At 5, we have Europe's fairy tale castles. From Scotland's Edinburgh Castle to Germany's Neuschwanstein, these architectural marvels are a testament to Europe's rich history. At 6 takes us to the lavender fields of Provence. This French region offers a sensory feast with its vibrant colors, soothing scent, and the relaxing buzz of bees. At 7, the ancient Greek ruins. From the Parthenon to Delphi, these archaeological sites offer a glimpse into the cradle of Western civilization. 8 brings us to Europe's highest peak, Mount Elbrus. Located in Russia, this dormant volcano is a challenge for mountaineers and a marvel for all. At 9, we have the Scottish Highlands. This rugged landscape of lochs and mountains is a haven for wildlife and a backdrop for countless myths and legends. 10 is for Europe's vibrant festivals. From Spain's La Tomatina to Ireland's St. Patrick's Day, these events offer a unique cultural immersion. Number 11, the fjords of Norway. These steep, deep saltwater inlets offer breathtaking views and a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. 12 takes us to the Guinness Storehouse in Dublin. This popular attraction offers a deep dive into the history of this iconic stout. Lucky number 13 brings us to the Vatican City. The smallest country in the world, it houses the Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica. 14 is the Eiffel Tower. This iconic Parisian landmark is a symbol of love and a testament to architectural ingenuity. Halfway through at 15, we have Europe's Christmas markets. From Germany to Austria, these festive gatherings ignite the holiday spirit with their twinkling lights and seasonal treats. 16 brings us to the Edinburgh Fringe Festival. This annual event is the world's largest arts festival, offering a platform for performers from across the globe. 17 is Europe's oldest university, the University of Bologna in Italy. Established in the 11th century, it's a beacon of knowledge and innovation. 18 takes us to the Blue Lagoon in Iceland. This geothermal spa is a natural wonder, offering a soothing retreat amidst a lunar-like landscape. 19 is Europe's largest waterfall, the Rhine Falls in Switzerland. This powerful spectacle is a testament to the raw beauty of nature. 20 is the Louvre Museum in Paris. Housing thousands of works, it's a treasure trove of art and history. 21, Europe's oldest city, Plovdiv in Bulgaria. This city's rich history spans over 6 millennia. 22 takes us to the windmills of the Netherlands. These iconic structures are a symbol of Dutch innovation and resilience. 23 is Europe's largest lake, Lake Ladoga in Russia. This vast freshwater lake is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for nature lovers. 24 brings us to the Gothic cathedrals of Europe. From France's Notre Dame to England's Canterbury Cathedral, these architectural masterpieces inspire awe. 25 is Europe's longest river, the Volga. Winding its way through Western Russia, it's a vital lifeline for many communities. 26 takes us to the vineyards of Bordeaux. This French region is synonymous with fine wine and is a must-visit for any wine enthusiast. 27 is the flamenco of Spain. This passionate dance form is a vibrant expression of Spanish culture. 28 brings us to Europe's deepest canyon, the Vikos Gorge in Greece. This natural wonder offers a dramatic landscape for adventure seekers. 29 is the Black Forest in Germany. This sprawling woodland is a fairy tale come to life, complete with cuckoo clocks and cherry cake. Last but not least, 30 is Europe's highest cliff, Cape Enneberg in the Faroe Islands. This towering sea cliff offers breathtaking views and is a haven for seabirds. In this journey, we've explored natural wonders, architectural marvels, rich history, vibrant festivals, and unique experiences. From the northern lights to the highest cliffs, Europe's 30 marvels offer something for every traveler. So pack your bags and set off on your own European adventure. Trust me, you'll discover marvels beyond this list, because Europe, in all its diversity and beauty, never ceases to amaze.